housing.
Jatend migao mar arita Kindiki owacho ni kwan joma osewito ngimagi masira mag apaya pacho ka asani okalo joma nowito ngimagi e midhusi mar COVID-19. Kolosi boma Kisumu medo ne gidhi bedo kod romo makende kanyakla kod migao mar apaya kod NTSA mar ng'iyo kaka igeng'o medruok mag masiche ma pacho kae. Kindiki loso tok masira makoch nolal kod ngima jopur 11 mag mbalariany ma Kenyatta kod masira machielo motimore Bume to Odhiambo manyoro.
A prison, this system.
The people who died out of COVID-19 were 4,600 people in 2.5 years. Yet, in 1 year alone, 4,000 people are dying out of traffic accidents, meaning this problem of road traffic accident is worse off than even serious epidemics like COVID-19. And therefore, I have had a discussion this morning with my counterpart, the Cabinet Secretary for Transport. And between us, the National Police Service Traffic Department, and the National Transport Safety Agency, NTSA, we must come with a program to rein in on the problem of road traffic accidents, enforce the law, and make sure that we bring down the numbers of our people that we are losing every year through road traffic accidents, and the number of our people that are getting injured and are wasting critical family resources in hospitals because of road traffic accidents.